Hey guys, this is your do-it-yourself foam blasting gun. It's a very realistic gun. This is just a portion of it, and we're going to show you a little bit about the gun and how cool it is. But before I begin, we want to show you what comes inside the box. So in addition to the gun, which in our case, we have the green version. There is a gray version as well, which you can see here on the display on the box. But inside of it, not only comes the gun, but also comes the magazine clips, which we have right here. Ours are already preloaded, which we'll talk about in just a minute. In addition, it comes with the bullets. They are pre-done just like this, and you have to pop them out individually, but they're plastic. They're not made of like any kind of metal or anything. Super easy to pop out. And then you're going to load each individual bullet with these foam blasting bullets right here. Each of these, it comes with 3 of these. Each of these has 20 bullets each, and they're very bright neon orange, as you guys can see here, so that you can find them easily when you're using them. Now, my son here is going to show you a little bit about how cool this gun is and how easy it is to use, but I do want to let you guys know that this gun is very realistic, which I found to be pretty cool. But be sure, if you're a parent, that you inform your children not to stuff the bullets with anything other than the foam bullets. So the cartridges, you know, they're empty when you first use them. Let me see. Currently in this cartridge, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there's an orange neon bullet inside. Before you stuff it with a bullet, these are empty. It's really, really important that you tell your kids not to stuff anything else inside, because this gun is very accurate, and although it's not excessively strong, it really could cause harm. So let's go ahead and show them a little bit about the awesome parts of this gun. Let's start with the pistol.
Okay, so the pistol is an Arctic Fox pistol. It is military green. It's pretty cool. So without any bullets in it, you can't really do anything. But you have to pull the cock it back like a regular pistol, and then you shoot.
And one of the cool things about this gun is whenever you're cocking it back with a bullet inside, just like a regular gun, the cartridge pops out and the new one loads up. Now you can see here, we don't have this loaded. So hand me a magazine clip real quick. You want to do it? Okay.
So you got the magazine clip, you have to unload it. You stuff it in, and then you cock it, and then you can shoot. But it actually comes with 3 magazine clips. There's one there and there's 2 right here.
And we're going to show you what to do with the others in just a minute. But just like a normal gun, and this is a really cool way I find as a parent to be able to teach your children gun safety without having the increased risk of having an actual gun. If you look right here, there's a little button just like a traditional gun where you press the magazine release button, and you have the magazine button right here, and the cartridges are inside, and you're going to individually load these just like you would a traditional gun. So go ahead and show them the cool part about how this attaches to the rest of the gun.
The coolest part, how it attaches to the rest of the gun, we have this big thing right here, which you just pop the, I'm sorry. You pop it in, and then you push this down, and it locks in, and it won't wiggle.
So the pistol actually becomes a part of the gun. Keep going.
And then you got this bag attachment.
This is called the stock that goes on your shoulder. Super easy to put in. I'm going to hold it while you keep loading it up.
Okay. We've got a laser sight, which goes on this side.
So this laser sight has a red laser similar to what you would use for like a little kid's laser gun. It has a button right here on the back made of rubber that you would push. I'm going to press it and point it at the camera so you guys can see. You guys see that? So it does have the actual laser light if you're doing long distance shooting. But Bud, show them what else they have.
So they have...
No.
Yeah, I know.
The sight.
You can put the magazines, one right here and one right here.
Okay, so it has 3 magazine cartridges. This is the one that we're going to shoot from, and this is for extra storage. All 3 are loaded, and it does come with enough bullets to load all 3.
And then you have a laser sight, but one thing really cool about this laser sight is that it actually lights up.
So let me see if we can get this on camera. Can you guys see? Let's see if I can show it to you. Can you guys see the green laser light? This is a sight that you'd be able to use for closer distance shooting. It has a cross in it, and it simply turns on and off by the rotation of this right here. So go ahead.
And then the last thing is a suppressor, which you could put...
Or also known as a silencer.
Silencer. You could put it in there, and now it's on the front of the gun.
And it actually does work. It actually makes the shooting of the gun a little bit more silent, which is pretty cool.
And if you want to use it on the pistol, all you have to do is press this button right here, and it releases the gun. And you can take it out, and then you can just put the suppressor on this one.
Again, as a parent, one of the things that I really love about this gun is it's so realistic in the way that you can use it. So if you're trying to teach children gun safety and how to use and reload and all of that, you can do that here with the silencer and all the extra attachments. Now show them how you shoot it.
So the pistol and this is the same thing as the pistol goes inside, but all you have to do is you pull the trigger whenever it's loaded, and then it'll shoot.
Now show them on the big gun how to shoot it.
Same thing, you put it in, you make sure it's locked, and you have to reload it with this thing.
So it shoots one bullet at a time. It's not like an automatic where it shoots, shoots, and shoots. So go ahead and shoot 2 bullets so you can give them a view. And we do have the silencer on, you guys.
Yes. So.
Okay, that's 1. Reload. Pull the little thing back. Did y'all see the cartridge fly out? It's so cool. And then I'm going to shoot the second one. I'm going to put the stock on my shoulder. I'm going to shoot right past the camera. And there we go. So not too loud, not too crazy, but definitely a good training tool. My husband and my children have been fighting over this gun since we got it in the mail. It is super awesome, really cool. And if you guys are interested in that, you want to add that to your Amazon cart now, I'd recommend, as a mom of boys, go ahead and get yourself 2 or 3 of them. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.